And that's that. A simple, classic, beautiful holiday style that you can enjoy for all your festivities. My name is Danielle Keasling, and I'm a Matrix Global Artist. I am here to share with you today one beautiful style that is easy to accomplish at home that you will be able to wear to all of your holiday festivities. To create this glam-worthy and very simple holiday hairstyle, start by sectioning off the crown of your hair into a half ponytail and securing with an elastic. After you've done that, pinch and pull until you get the desired airiness and volume. Next, take a section on the side, twist in towards the center of the head, and secure with a bobby pin. Continue working throughout the right side until this is complete. After that, you're going to work on the opposite side, twisting in towards the center of the hairstyle and bobby pinning the hair into place. After you've ruched out for extra volume, use your Freeze Fix hairspray and continue airing out the style. To finish it off, take the last section to the right and secure it over the bobby pins to hide all the bobby pins. Feel free to always embellish with beautiful holiday accessories. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try out this holiday hairstyle, enjoy it at your festivities. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Hair.com. And find me on Instagram at Danielle.Keasling. Thanks again.